smiling, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review and demo the MANTOO 12-inch ring light. Before we get started, hit subscribe and the bell. Give this video a thumbs up. The most important part of your video is you. So you being illuminated correctly and in a nice light is really key to success for people liking your videos. Whether you're a YouTuber or a photographer just starting out in your business and you're doing cooking videos or makeup videos or unboxing videos, you could really use some good lighting. Though filming in natural light is great, I absolutely love filming outside. The weather and the season is pretty unpredictable. As I move indoors with the season, I could absolutely film in front of a window and use a natural light there. But it's still unpredictable because you never know what the weather is going to be like. You never know if the sun's going to be out or not. And that can create some kind of stress and tension in your day as well, because you want to work on your script, you want to work on your staging, and you don't want to be in a rush. You just want to shoot your video whenever it's time you're ready. So the ring light has several functions. It comes in this cute bag with handles and even a shoulder strap. It also comes with this mirror, so you can use it for your makeup videos if that's what you want to create. It also comes with this holder for your phone, and it comes with a stand. The stand can be really tall or low depending on your wishes. This ring light comes with two buttons, so you can decide how bright you want the light to be, and you can decide if you want sort of like a yellowish light, like an early morning evening light, or if you want more of a daylight kind of tone to your video. Just make sure that you're not standing too close to your ring light, because it's gonna show up in your eyes. And beware that if you're wearing glasses, you should probably look elsewhere for light, because as you can see, wearing glasses reflects the ring and you look like kind of an alien, so you might want to avoid that. The ring light is decently priced, I think. You could really look for this and find it at about $100, which is, I think, a fair investment if you're just starting out. So I've popped the link to this ring light below and you can check it out. Remember to check out my other videos. This one about the 3 facts you need to know about affiliate marketing. This one about how to find your niche market. And there are loads of other videos for you as a beginner in this online world. Now, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share in the comments below your most valuable lighting tips so that we can share it in the community. And I'll see you in the next one. All the best!